Hello students, now we are going to discuss chapter 12 Heron's formula, class 9, exercise 12.1, question 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540. Find its area. I have to find the area using Heron's formula. So we know what is Heron's formula. But before that, it is given the sides are in the ratio. Always remember, when the sides are given in the ratio, that time we convert this ratio into x in the form of x. We convert this ratio, whenever the ratio questions are given, we convert this ratio in the form of x. So let the three sides be. What we will write? Let the three sides be 12x, 17x, 25x. Now it is given perimeter 540. Perimeter means sum of all the three sides. We know that what is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of all the three sides. So it means perimeter equals to 540. It means 12x plus 17x plus 25x equals to 540. Correct? When you add all this, you got what? You got 54. So this we will got 54x equals to 540. Correct? So x equals to 540 divided by 54. So what we got? We got 10. What is the value of x? The value of x is equals to 10. Correct? Now the original sides. Here before the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. Now the original sides are. Therefore now after getting the value of x, the three sides are. So it is 12x means 12 multiplied by 10. So that is 120x. After that 17 multiplied by 10. So that is 170. Sorry, this x will not come. 170. After that 25 multiplied by 10. So what we got? 250. Means the three sides are 120 centimeter. It is given centimeter. So 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter. After that 250 centimeter. Now using Heron's formula, correct? To find the area. To find area of triangle using Heron's formula. What is that? That is equals to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Correct? Here we have to find s also. So we know that s is actually half of perimeter. Perimeter is directly given in the question. If it is not given, what we will do? We will add all the three sides and then we divide it by 2. Correct? But here directly it is given perimeter. We know that s means what? Semi-perimeter. So s is equals to half of perimeter. So that is 540 divided by 2. So what we got? We got 270. 270 what? Centimeter. Now put the value here. So equals to under root 270 inside the bracket 270 minus 120. Correct? 270 minus 170, 270 minus third one is 250. After solving this one, what we got? Under root 270 inside the bracket 270 minus 120 means what? We got 150. After that 270 minus 70, what we got? 100. After that 270 minus 50, what we got? 20. Correct? Now find the fraction. Find the fraction of this one, because we have to solve this one also, because we have to solve the root. So divide it or convert it into the simplest form. Convert all the numbers into the simplest form. So this 270 I can write equals to, यहाँ से प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल लीजिए साइड से प्राइम फैक्टर्स. तो 270 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या क्या आते हैं? द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 270 इज 2 into 3 ठीक है. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. See, 3 3 is a 9, इसको 27 into 10 I can write. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, or 10 I can write 2 into 5. Correct? Understood? 5 2s are, this 270 I can write 27 into 10. So 27, 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, 3 3 is a 9 is a 27, and 10 is also there. So 10 is 5 into 2. Similarly, this I can write 15 into 10. So it is multiply 15 into 10, matlab 5 3 is a 15. So 5 into 3, 15 into 10. So 5 into 2. This 100 I can write 10 multiply by 10, and this 20 I can write 2 into 5, 2 into 10. So 2 into 5 into 2. Correct? See, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Now see the pairing. This 2 and this 2 equals to 2 comes out, multiply this 3, this 3. So 3 comes out, multiply this 5, this 5. So 5 comes out, multiply this 10, this 10. So 10 comes out, multiply this 3 and this 3. So again 3 comes out, multiply by this 5, this 5. So 5 comes out, multiply by this 2 and this 2. So again 2 comes out. So completely we solved roots. So when you multiply this one, you got 9,000. What is the unit? Unit is centimeter. So we got centimeter square. This is the answer of the question. Thank you.